We started NewLeaf Symbiotics over 5 years ago, and we are doing fundamental research, discovery, production, and commercialization of beneficial plant bacteria called pink pigmented facultative methylotrophs, or emtrophs. We believe there was a huge untapped potential in the symbiosis between these bacteria and plants. There's a huge push throughout the world, actually, for sustainability. We need new technological approaches that will help us feed a growing population. So biologicals is one of the most promising areas in the world right now.
We're able to use this technology of emtrophs as an in-furrow or seed-applied application for either nutrient-enhancing disease control or insect control, as well as provide mitigation for abiotic stress, which might be heat or moisture-limiting situations.
So the mode of action of the microbes that have been used in agriculture up to this point have been somewhat limited when compared to what we now see available in the emtroph. Understanding that mode of action allows us to understand and bring to the farmer a second genome, a group of genes now which have been co-evolved with a plant for so long that we can actually offer something that is trait-like behavior using a bacteria. That's completely new.
People have asked, why are we working with emtrophs specifically? Emtrophs are ubiquitous. We've never tested a plant surface that was not naturally colonized by emtrophs.
To work with the existing chemistries, work with the traits, prolong the timeline of traits and chemistries, and work with the system, not against it.
The management are people with a lot of experience. This is not the kind of business where you can have a passion without the experience and knowledge and deep background in the science that's required. We have a scientific advisory board, which is really made up of very senior people in the industry that can provide a perspective on what we're doing.
What I do is work with the genomics and bioinformatics team to develop a suite of technologies and tools that we call PBK, so the Prescriptive Biologics Knowledge Base. In PBK, we're implementing artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques that will allow the PBK to automatically nominate new strains that will eventually be product candidates. We're sequencing to completion every single one of our strains. So we understand for each emtroph strain, we understand the genomic structure, all the genes, their predicted functions completely. And then for across the entire collection, we've developed a very good understanding of the total gene space for this genus.
Every year, NewLeaf Symbiotics conducts field trials throughout the United States in real-life situations with crops that are being grown by farmers today.
We have and intend to have, going forward, over 30 locations where we're looking at the crops: corn, soybean, wheat, canola, peanut. And unlike varietal trials where you're looking at genetic differences that contribute to yield, for us, our plots are generally bigger. We're looking at 40-foot rows, replicated 4 times across various environments. One of the things that we look at is how it fits with the crop, but also how we can utilize it with hard chemistry crop protection tools that currently exist so that we're able to have drop-in solutions that benefit the grower.
What you're going to see is healthier plants, healthier corn and soybeans with less dependence on fertilizer and less dependence on various types of pesticides. PPFMs under development by NewLeaf Symbiotics are going to put the farm just a little closer to what nature intended for plants.
We have the opportunity to start on row crops and improve the productivity and the yield on corn, on soy, on wheat. We're really just scratching the surface.